So just to introduce one new chapter, right? The chapter number is 23 in the book of concept of the physics part 2, which is written by the professor S. Verma sir, right? So the chapter name is heat and temperature, right? So heat और temperature के बारे में जानने से पहले हमें किन चीजों के बारे में जान लेना चाहिए? आज का लेक्चर बेसिकली आई हैव टू इंट्रोड्यूस द हॉट एंड कोल्ड बॉडीज, राइट? हाउ द कॉन्सेप्ट, आई मीन हाउ गुड आई मीन you would say this is hot body and this is cold body, right? In order to say these two words, right, we have to know something basics, right? Those basics are associated with whatever you studied as of now, right? If you didn't study anything, don't worry about it. I'm starting from the very basics, right? I will explain how the things is happen, how we are going to be explain the terminology, and slowly we will progress in this chapter, right? So here I'm going to mainly discuss the first article of this chapter, right? The article number is 23.1, hot and cold bodies, right? So hot और cold bodies को जानने से पहले हमें कुछ कुछ चीजों को जान लेना चाहिए। जैसे अगर कोई कहे व्हाट इज द टोटल एनर्जी इन दी बॉडीज, सपोज यू आर आई मीन ड्राइविंग ए मोटरसाइकिल, राइट? देन किस टाइप की और कितनी एनर्जी उसके अंदर हो सकती है, राइट? सो हम उसी की बात करने वाले हैं, राइट? सो आप हमेशा ध्यान रखो, कोई भी सिस्टम है, राइट? So that could have total energy. I would say the total energy. It contains, there are three energy mainly. I would say first is internal energy. Internal energy. That is here you can see internal energy. Second one is the kinetic energy, and the third one is potential energy. Right? Any system, right? और आपने ये भी पढ़ा होगा. This is internal energy, right? I was writing, so let me complete. So kinetic energy and the third one is potential energy, which are already written there, right? So हम क्या बात करने वाले थे कि energy is the conserved quantity, right? It cannot be created and neither it can be destroyed, right? ये हम जानते हैं from the energy conservation law, right? हाँ, क्या हो सकता है? Energy can be transformed from the one forms to another forms to another form, right? So energy, I mean transformation is happen, but creation and destroying destructive things will never happen, right? So now let me understood. Suppose I'm running a bike, right? And bike is going to be collide with the wall. Then bike is going to be stopped. तो जो जब हम बाइक को रन कर रहे हैं, राइट? सपोज दिस इज बाइक, आई एम रनिंग दिस बाइक, राइट? सो अगर इसके पास स्पीड है तो कौन सी एनर्जी होने वाली है इसके पास? दैट इज काइनेटिक एनर्जी, राइट? सो अभी ये वॉल से जाके टकराई, राइट? देन बाइक इज गोइंग टू बी स्टॉप, वेलोसिटी इज गोइंग टू बी जीरो। जब वेलोसिटी जीरो हो गई तो फिर अब वो काइनेटिक एनर्जी आखिर कहाँ गई? अच्छा, रही बात पोटेंशियल एनर्जी की, तो हम सेम डेटम लाइन पे हैं, मतलब हमारा रेफरेंस लेवल सेम है। कहाँ से? विद रिस्पेक्ट टू द अर्थ, राइट? वी आर रनिंग द बाइक ऑन द रोड। सो हाइट का कोई डिफरेंस नहीं आ रहा फ्रॉम द वन पॉइंट टू अनदर पॉइंट। देन पोटेंशियल एनर्जी, चेंज इन पोटेंशियल एनर्जी गोइंग टू बी जीरो, राइट? सो ये काइनेटिक एनर्जी आखिर कहाँ गई? सो ये पता है कहाँ गई है? ये गई है, ये एनर्जी ट्रांसफॉर्म हो गई है, राइट? एंड दिस काइनेटिक एनर्जी कन्वर्टेड इनटू व्हाट? देयर इज वन मोर एनर्जी, कॉल इट एज ए इंटरनल एनर्जी, राइट? सो क्या होता है जब भी कोई हम सिस्टम उठाते हैं, राइट? अगर वो स्पीड में है, फिर जाके अचानक स्पीड खत्म होती है, कहीं ना कहीं वो एक दूसरे से टकराता है, वेलोसिटी जीरो होती है, देन दैट काइनेटिक एनर्जी आइदर पोटेंशियल एनर्जी गोइंग टू बी transform in which energy? That is internal energy. So what happen? Suppose internal energy, if suppose any energy going to be changed somewhere, right? Then the changes we are able to sense, right? In terms of the properties, right? I will talk about those properties, right? So now I will say the mechanical energies of the body, right? So अभी हमने इससे पहले वाली स्लाइड पे अगर हम बात करें तो यहाँ पे कौन सी एनर्जीज के बारे में हमने बात की थी? हमने बात की थी इंटरनल एनर्जी, काइनेटिक एनर्जी और पोटेंशियल एनर्जी के बारे में, राइट? सो पोटेंशियल एनर्जी और काइनेटिक एनर्जी, दीज आर द फॉर्म ऑफ द मैकेनिकल एनर्जी, राइट? बट द इंटरनल एनर्जी दैट इज समथिंग डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द मैकेनिकल एनर्जी, आई विल एक्सप्लेन इन द कमिंग, आई मीन दिस कमिंग डिस्कशन, राइट? सो दिस इज इंटरनल एनर्जी। सो किसी भी सिस्टम की अगर आप बात करें इंटरनल, राइट, कोई भी सिस्टम की टोटल एनर्जी के बारे में बात करेंगे तो हर सिस्टम दो फॉर्म की एनर्जी रखता है, राइट? इन जनरल, राइट? एक वो उसकी खुद की इंटरनल एनर्जी और दूसरी और क्या होती है? मैकेनिकल एनर्जी। मैकेनिकल एनर्जी में मेनली हमने अभी दो तरीके की एनर्जी की बात की है, काइनेटिक एनर्जी और पोटेंशियल एनर्जी, विच जनरली एवरी सिस्टम हैव, राइट? सो नाउ कम्स टू द दिस स्लाइड, मैकेनिकल एनर्जी ऑफ द बॉडीज, राइट? सो द एनर्जी दैट ए सिस्टम पोजेस एज ए रिजल्ट ऑफ द मोशन रिलेटिव टू द सम रेफरेंस फ्रेम, राइट? अगर वो सिस्टम जिसके पास मोशन है, आई मीन वेलोसिटी है, राइट, एंड इट हैज सम मास, वेलोसिटी इट हैज, इफ सपोज दिस अ डेफिनेट क्वांटिटी, and it has some mass, right? सपोज देन इट विल डेफिनेटली पोजेस वन एनर्जी, दैट एनर्जी इज कॉल्ड काइनेटिक एनर्जी। हम इसको लिखते हैं हाफ ऑफ mv स्क्वायर, राइट। अब अगर कोई वही सिस्टम विद रिस्पेक्ट टू एलिवेशन, सपोज दिस इज अर्थ सरफेस, राइट, एंड देयर इज ए वन बॉल, ठीक ना। द मंकी इज सिटिंग ऑन हियर एंड हैविंग द a banana kind of thing, right? Suppose he is dropping the banana from there and this is having height. So what energy banana have right now, right? This is having potential energy, that is mgh. Banana must have some mass and the gravitational gravity will also exist here, right? So this time it has the potential energy. Once it will drop, the potential energy start transformation transformating into the kinetic energy, and just before the hitting, right, the velocity is going to be maximum, right? Means that the almost all energy, static energy, potential energy going to be converted into what? The kinetic energy, right? Here the potential energy converted into what? The kinetic energy, right? Once this banana going to be hit the ground, right, then velocity become the zero. अब क्या हुआ, जो पोटेंशियल एनर्जी थी वो काइनेटिक एनर्जी में कन्वर्ट हो गई, और काइनेटिक एनर्जी किस में कन्वर्ट हो गई? आफ्टर हिट, राइट। आफ्टर हिट दिस कंप्लीट काइनेटिक एनर्जी इज गोइंग टू बी कन्वर्ट इनटू व्हाट? इंटरनल एनर्जी, राइट, दैट इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय द कैपिटल यू। नाउ यू अंडरस्टूड कि जो भी हमारी मैकेनिकल एनर्जी, जो हमारी आई मीन in physical situations we can visualize, right? We can see the system having the motion, but once it will hit with the ground and velocity is going to be zero, right? Then automatically that kinetic energy going to be disappear विजुअली, राइट। विजुअली मींस अभी सिस्टम के पास कोई भी स्पीड नहीं है, मतलब हमें उसकी कोई काइनेटिक एनर्जी फील नहीं हो रही है। देन वेयर दैट एनर्जी हैड गॉन, राइट, दैट एनर्जी वट एवर डिसअपियर विजुअली, right, from the system, that automatically is stored inside the system and in terms of the what? Internal energy, right? So that is the meaning of this explanation, right? So हमेशा ध्यान रखना that total energy always contains internal energy plus mechanical energy, right? So sometimes system you can visually feel, right, the mechanical energy the system has, right? But sometimes mechanical energy going to be disappear, where it is going to be stored, that is always stored in the form of the internal energy, right? Now comes to the next slide, right? I will talk about the internal energy, right? Internal energy means what? I will talk about this internal energy. This is this is the energy of the sum of the all microscopic form of the energy. Microscopic form of the energy, I would say कि कोई भी particle, कोई भी object, right, it always forms with the multiple number of the atoms, right? कोई भी body उठा के देखिए, हमेशा वो किससे बनी हुई है? नंबर ऑफ आइटम्स और पार्टिकल से मिलकर बनी है, राइट। अच्छा, पूरा कंबाइंडली जब हम सपोज बाइक की हमने बात की, राइट, उसमें सब कुछ है, सारा सिस्टम है, राइट, दैट इज बिहेव्स लाइक ए कंप्लीट रिजिड बॉडी, राइट, बहुत सारे पार्टिकल्स उसमें आइटम्स हैं, राइट। बट सपोज व्हेन द बाइक इज गोइंग टू बी हिट विद द वॉल एंड द वेलोसिटी इज गोइंग टू बी जीरो, then kinetic energy of this mechanical system going to be disappear. But where that kinetic energy had gone, that kinetic energy is stored in the form of the internal energy inside the system, right? So तो वो कौन कौन से फॉर्म होते हैं जिस जिस फॉर्म में इंटरनल एनर्जी स्टोर हो सकती है, राइट? तो व्हाट विल हैपन व्हेन द बाइक इज गोइंग टू बी कोलाइड विद द वॉल, राइट? थिंग्स कुड बी हैपन इनसाइड द object items, right? Inside the object atom there are multiple phenomena could be happen once the bike going to be collide, means the any potential energy or kinetic energy transformed into the internal energy, right? The atoms energy inside the body is going to be changed, right? But how we will we are all going to be sense that change in the internal energy, right? So this change of the internal energy we will feel in terms of the temperature. Means what? Suppose we are rubbing our hand, right? Once we are rubbing our hands is going to be what? Warm up, right? When our hands is going to be warm up, then what happen? What happen? Our temperature of the hands is going to be increases. That hotness we can feel it, right? Means that when we are rubbing our hand, hands are having velocity, and our hands are also having some friction surfaces. Because of the friction, what happen? This kinetic energy going to be resist by the surfaces, right? So जब kinetic energy resist की जाएगी by the friction, then what happen? The kinetic energy going to be stored in the form of the internal energy. Once any form of the mechanical energy converted into in the internal energy, the temperature of the body is going to be increases. Temperature of the body, what will happen? Temperature of the body will increases. When the temperature of the body will increases, when the any form of the mechanical energy converted, transformed into the internal energy. When this phenomena will happen? When you are rubbing your hands, then what happen? The whenever you are rubbing your hand, right, hands are having the velocity, right? And once you are stopped your rubbing your hand, means that the kinetic energy going to be zero, but total energy going to be conserved. That kinetic energy further going to be transformed into what? The internal energy. Whenever the internal energy of the system is going to be increased, right, then the temperature of the whole system, mechanical system, that a body, whatever we are talking about, right, the temperature of the atoms are going to be what? That is going to be increased, and that's how we can sense the internal energy of the body is going to be increased, right? Then we can feel the mechanical, that body's hotness, right? When the blocks are slide on the rough surface, देन कोई भी आप ब्लॉक को उठाइए, आप सरफेस पे उसको रगड़ के देखिए, थोड़ी की देर बाद आप उसकी सरफेस को जब टच करके देखेंगे तो आपको लगेगा नहीं यार इसका टेम्परेचर क्या हुआ, बढ़ गया है, राइट। देन व्हाट हैपन व्हेन यू आर रबिंग द ब्लॉक, राइट, ब्लॉक हैविंग काइनेटिक एनर्जी, व्हेन you are going to be stop that rubbing of the block, right? Then kinetic energy going to be zero. Means that the whole kinetic energy transform into what? The internal energy. And because of the transformation of the internal energy, the temperature of the atoms on the surface of the block is going to be increased, right? When you are pressing the spinning wheel, means that कोई भी आप फ्लाई व्हील हो, इंजन हो, कभी कभी रन कर रहा होता है आपके घरों में, राइट, अगर स्लोली कर रहा है तो आप उस पर हाथ रखते हैं, उसको प्रेस करते हैं रोकने के लिए, राइट। देन व्हाट हैपन, जब आप उसकी रोटेशनल काइनेटिक एनर्जी को क्या करते हैं, रोकते हैं, तो वो भी एक फॉर्म मैकेनिकल एनर्जी का फॉर्म है। जब आप उसको रोकते हैं देन दैट मैकेनिकल एनर्जी आल्सो कन्वर्टेड इनटू व्हाट, इंटरनल एनर्जी। दैट्स व्हाई द टेंपरेचर ऑफ योर हैंड्स एंड द व्हील सरफेस इज गोइंग टू बी इंक्रीज्ड। अब सपोज आप साइकिल चला रहे हैं, राइट, साइकिल पे बैठे बैठे साइकिल में अच्छी खासी स्पीड है, आपने शूज को क्या किया, पैडल से हटाया और ग्राउंड को टच कराया, राइट। देन शूज इज आल्सो आई मीन हैविंग, because it is attached with your foot, right? So that is also having kinetic energy and this is rubbing on the ground surface, right? Then the temperature of the shoes sole and the surface of the road, that is also going to be increased. Then what is happening, the kinetic energy of that shoes is going to be transformed into what, the internal energy of the road particle and the shoes particle, right? Both are going to be increased. That's how the transformation of the mechanical energy will happen when the two vehicle are going to be collide, right? Definitely the collision surface are getting, the temperature of the collision surface is going to be increased. Why this is happening? Because of these two vehicles are having huge kinetic energy. That kinetic energy suddenly transformed into what, the internal energy, right? So that's why the temperature of the surfaces of the vehicle is going to be increased, right? And suppose when the aeroplane flying, right? Suppose this is aeroplane, right? Uh, this is aeroplane, right? So suppose this is flying, right? When this is flying with the ground surface, right, what happen, this is gaining height, right, it is having the potential energy and also gaining the speed, right, because of the burning of the fuel, so much of the thrust is there, it is also gaining kinetic energy, right. So when it is going to be crash somewhere, right, then suddenly this whole kinetic energy and potential energy transformed into what, the internal energy, and so much of the temperature, everything is going to be increased, right. So that's how this transformation of the energy will happen, and that's how the temperature of the body is going to be changes. When the temperature of the body is going to be changes, whenever the internal energy of the body is going to be increased, right, then the temperature of the atoms inside the body is going to be increased, right. So this is the then our body and we are able to feel the temperature. I mean, whenever we feel the temperature, then we are having the sense of the hotness, right. So that is the concept of the hotness. Now I will discuss what is mechanical work, right. Mechanical work is something like when we are performing any work, right, means that we have to work, we are, giving the energy to the system, right, kind of, right. When we are lifting a wall vertically from the earth surface, suppose कोई भी मास का टुकड़ा है, या वॉल है, आप कहिए, ठीक है ना, सपोज आप इसको उठा के यहाँ से उठा के आप यहाँ पे इतनी हाइट पे ले जा रहे हो, राइट, देन हाउ मच वी हैव टू वर्क, वी नीड टू परफॉर्म, राइट। सपोज इसकी एनर्जी अभी कितनी ट्रांसफॉर्म हुई, अभी जो भी हमने इस पे वर्क कितना किया, कितना चेंज इन पोटेंशियल एनर्जी आया, बताइए। व्हेन here the height is zero, and then now this mass having the height of h, right. So that much of the potential energy increased, so that much of the potential energy increased, so that much of the work we have to perform wall on the wall, right. That's why that much of the potential energy increased, right. So mechanical work जब भी perform करेंगे, then that is always you will sense in terms of the mechanical energy, change in mechanical energy, but it will hardly, you will feel in terms of the internal energy, because it is not stored in terms of the internal energy, right. When mechanical energy transform, right, then internal energy is going to be increased, right. Now you see, if you are placing the spring with the block attached, suppose these are the blocks attached with the spring, right, spring. Now you are pressing those blocks, right. So these blocks are comes together, right, like this, right. And when you are going to be free all these two blocks, right, then what happen when you are pressing, then that spring is going to be compressed. When spring is going to be compressed, right, when spring is going to be compressed, then that much of the energy spring is going to be stored, right. And when you are free from your hand, right, so that energy is going to be transformed into kinetic energy of the block, right. Then these blocks are getting some speed, right. Means what, this spring energy now transformed into what, the kinetic energy in the of the block, right. And that much of the work you have done on the spring, that's why these blocks are getting kinetic energy, means that half of mv square they will get, right. So that's how the energy transformation work. Whenever we are perform the work, that is always stored in the form of the what, in the body, in the form of the mechanical energy, change in mechanical energy, right. So that is the concept of the mechanical work. When we are performing the work on the any body, then only the mechanical energy going to be changed, right. Cold body and hot body concept is that the hot body having high internal energy, that's why you are able to sense their hotness, and the cold body having low internal energy. That's why you are able to sense their coldness, right? Now you comes together with the two bodies and you make them contact, right? When you are touching the two bodies, right, then what happened, the temperature, temperature of the hot body is going to be, I mean, getting down. I mean, the hardness is going to be down slowly, and the hotness of the cold body is going to be increased. Then what is happening? There is a something which is flow inside. When we are touching these two bodies, that flow. What is happening? There is a one energy which is flowing. Suppose this is the body. This is hot body. This is HB, and that is CB, right? Then what is happening? These whatever particles and atoms this body having, this is having more internal energy, and where these they are touching together, right? Then these are atom also getting one forms of the energy, because the cold body slowly getting warm up because of the it is touching the hot body, right? Then what is happening? These particles, these atoms, having the high internal energy, they are trans. There is a one phenomenon. Naturally, this phenomena is happening. The internal energy of the cold hot body is getting down. Means that you of the internal energy of the hot body getting down, and the slowly the internal energy of this cold body going to be increased, right? Means that the atoms of the cold body now getting more internal energy, but the internal energy of the hot body's atoms getting loose, right? But this there is a there is a one transfer of the energy is happening, that is call it as a heat, right? Heat means there is a no, without this phenomena is happening without any mechanical work. Mechanical work का मतलब ये है कि this neither for this body and nor for this body, that kinetic energy not going to be changed, not going to be changed, and neither potential energy of this hot body is going to change, and neither the kinetic energy of the cold body is going to be changed, and neither potential energy of the hot body is going to be changed. But what is changing here? The hot body's internal energy going to be changed. Whatever internal energy going to be decreased for the hot body, that much of the internal energy going to be increased by the increased in a cold body, right? Means that this is just a transition of the internal energies, right? So internal energy transfer that will occur in the form of the heat, one term, and that is also one kind of the energy, right? So that is happening because of the difference in the internal energy. When the body is having the different internal energy, means that one body having higher internal energy, another body having low internal energy. When they are coming together, naturally this phenomena will happen without changing in mechanical energy. When the mechanical energy will change, when the mechanical energy going to be changed, whenever we are going to be perform any mechanical work on the body, then the mechanical energy will change, right? But when the internal energy going to be changed, when the mechanical energy transform into internal energy, then the internal energy will also change. And whenever the high internal energy body comes in touch with the low internal energy body, right, then automatically this change in internal energy will happen, because of the there is a one I mean, automatically the energy will flow in between two bodies, from the hot internal energy body to the cold internal energy body, right, in the form of the heat, right? So that is heat always flow due to this is the natural phenomena, right, from the high internal energy body to the low internal energy body, right? So that is the, I mean, overall concept. The overall, I mean, purpose for this lecture is to just to explain how the hotness we are going to be feel in a body, how to coldness in a body we are going to be feel. Hotness we are able to feel in a body because of the high internal energy, right? And the coldness in a body we are able to feel because of the low internal energy. So that is the concept. The mainly this is associated with the internal energy of the body. As of now, whatever you studied, that is the mechanical form of the energy. But now we are introducing one more energy, that is internal energy, and the transfer of the internal energy is associated with what? Heat, right? That is also the one form of the energy, but this is not having any this transfer is happening automatically. This is not having any involvement of the mechanical work. Means that we are not performing any work, neither we are saying, but this is happening automatically, right? So that is the overall concept of the hotness and coldness. Now we are in position, we can sense the, and we can tell this is the hot body, this is the low, I mean, cold body. Once you are found any the hot body, then you can proudly, I mean, confidently you can say this is having the, I mean, high internal energy. And whenever you sense the cold body, then you can say this is having low internal energy. And thanks for today, that is more than enough for the for developing the understanding towards the hotness and the coldness of the body. Thank you. Thanks for watching and listening. Thank you so much.